what happened, because at that time it is not usual. Yeah. Nowadays it is so easy. You want to become artist, you just slide. You become young, you just slide the camera. So everything can be digitally. But 6 years ago, not like that. So I asked him, and he gave me a link. When I opened the link, it offered another link. It's a link for supplement from Japan. And the other links there is testimonial. So when I opened the testimonial, I think at that time, wow, seems too good to be true, because I am a doctor, so I know the limit when we can heal the illness, or the illness still can go better or not. But this is like something that cannot will not have a chance to become better, but become good. So a lot of things like that. Like one stroke patients already 6 years stroke, and twice, consume this product and then can run again. Yeah, run not perfectly, but to my experience, if a patient 1.5 years already stroke, crippled, usually will not get better. But with my ozone therapy, I open ozone therapy. Ozone therapy use the O3 gas. Usually until 3 years, still there is hope of getting better. But if more than 3 years or more than 3 times stroke, usually cannot. But this supplement say that 6 year second stroke can get better. So that is something to me. And the testimonial also a lot, yeah. With the kidney failure patient, with the cancer patient, with the autistic children, and a lot. Vitiligo, the skin change to white stuff here and there. So difficult to get it off if from medical side. But with this product, bam, good. So I think, wow, this is something. Maybe all the testimonial is nonsense, being made to fool people. But maybe also it's true. So I began to analyze. But I see the testimonial, the way they talk, even sometimes give the photos and laboratory tests that reveal something that is so real. So I begin to give it to a lot of people, because I know if I give only to 1 or 2 person, maybe that 1 or 2 person different from the other and not healed. So I give it to maybe around 20%, and in 2-3 weeks, then I saw good result, a lot, yeah. One of them have kidney failure and cannot do the dialysis well because the blood so thick, so have to operate here to put pipe here for hemodialysis. The next 3 days here, and the next 3 days open again the wound that has not healed yet, and change the pipe, and 3 days again like this, So the husband already said, but when giving this product, she can do the hemolysis well, and she feels like totally normal. Usually very sick people will feel like always headache a little bit, feverish a little bit, nauseated a little bit, but she feels just like normal. She can do household jobs, and after 2-3 weeks can work again and drive by herself. So this is. Then I say, wow, this is so good, yeah. And then the second patient is stroke, already 1 or 2 years in a wheelchair. In 3.5 months, improved so much that's almost 100% healed. And after months, healed completely, can attend the gold shop, things like that. So a lot of cases at that time, compressed nerve, tingling sensation to the thigh, but only in 6 days already good. And one patient, knee problem so bad that I refused to do injection at that time, because I saw the X-ray photo, the bone already distract. So I said, you have to change the knee. But she insists me to do injection. So when I did injection, afterward she asked, doctor, do you have the good supplement for this? So I give this supplement, and then 2-3 weeks after, she can do this kind of sport, that make the knees bend 100 times, one time exercise. So a lot of other cases, for my father also. My father like blood cancer like problem, so all over the body scalded, like when you pour hot water to your body, but usually if you have coincidentally pour your hot water to your body, usually the skin will peel, but after 1 month, 2 months it will heal. But not with my father. Months it's getting bigger and bleeding under the skin everywhere, and the muscle so weak that he almost cannot walk. But using this product, in 2-3 weeks, my mother called me, hey, your father blood sugar go down. I asked, how's the eating? As usual. Medication as usual, because my father have diabetes and also hypertension, suffer from diabetes and hypertension. So using this product, 3 weeks, the blood sugar go down. I said, reduce the medication, not the product, but the medication. And my mother reduced the medication half. The next day, call still, hey, it's still 90. I said, stop all the medication. So afterward, my father become healthy again. All the skin getting better, all the bleeding stop, the muscle getting better, just like back to normal again. And plus, don't need to take diabetes and hypertension product medication. So a lot of things that I cannot tell you here all. Parkinson also, my friend's father Parkinson and become good. So a lot of good things happen. So I think, wow, if I met this kind of product, surely I will tell everyone about this, because this will help people. So I try to spread the news, and from that time on, a lot of people help, almost magical sometimes, because too good to be true. And then, of course, the business good also, because I do the business also in this company. So the result very, very good. Now is the 6th year already, so I have a lot of experience that I want to share to you. But first, I want to tell you a short story about the company. The company that produced the product named AFC, Asayama Family Club. Asayama is a Japanese name, like Toyota, Honda. They use the family name for the company. And cannot, oh, cannot. Please help me with press. You took the dongle already? Put there? The dongle not there, Put the dongle there already. Press the lesson. Should be there. Okay. Just press the next page. Oh, problem with the computer, I think. So now is the 6 years I'm in this company, and I found like a lot of good things every day. Some of them like magical. Before I forgot in one city, several days ago, a lady come to me, hey, I have a lot of illness, and then when I take this product, every day is a miracle to me until consecutive 10 days. So all things getting better only taking this supplement, and things like this I often see. So I want to inform you about this product that can bring health to you and can help your people around you, your neighbor, your family, and everything. How about the PowerPoint? Can you? The PowerPoint also cannot. Maybe, yeah, okay. Done. So the company already old, yeah, from 1969, and big company. Next. And this is actually a very big company in Japan, okay, and go public already and have a lot of factory, yeah. And in Indonesia also the company already 6 years, so have a lot of offices in Indonesia, and now the second country, Malaysia. So this is, I think, a very big opportunity for Malaysia, and next maybe Singapore, I hope, yeah. But in Malaysia already spreading so fast, and a lot of people already being helped in Singapore. Cancer people, a lot healing, yeah, and a lot of cases, kidney problem and things like that. Company actually now become number one MLM in Indonesia, and also it's have a very high sales. You know, after 6 years, usually the company that is not so good, maybe 2 years close already, 3 years close down already. But this company 6 years even better because the products so good. So this is the owner, Ernest Prayuda, and this is the co-founder, Michael Tampi, and this is the doctor's team, head of the team, yeah, Dr. Trevino. And AFC actually being made for a good thing, so it always do good things. Yeah. If you buy this product, also they will allocate some money to make like health center, yeah, everywhere in the remote area, boarding house for children, and a lot of things like this. Free operation. Okay, now we will talk briefly about AFC product. AFC product, the first product is called Utsupushi. Utsupushi is a product that is so special. The main ingredient is from salmon milk DNA. Yeah? And ingredients, the most important one is Takara kombu fukoidan. Takara kombu fukoidan is a seaweed that has the ability to stimulate our natural killer cell. I will tell you again about natural killer cell, but it can increase our immunity to some extent. It is very good. You can use it to fight AIDS, HIV, SARS, yeah, COVID virus, and also every other infection like bacteria, fungus, virus, hepatitis, things like that. You know, it is so good, yeah, and also contain of 3 good bacteria. Why? Because this product can detox and clean your bowel. Because when people sick, they saw that the bowel very dirty. If the healthy person, then the bowel very clean. So they think, what if we clean the bowel? You know. So this is how to clean the bowel, and this is also plays important role because bacteria in our bowel actually have significant effect to our health. It also help the produce of vitamin, hormones, and things like that. Yeah. So this is why this is so important, and also it has anti-inflammation and high antioxidant also. Yeah. So actually, Utsupushi have several patents. What is patents? This product already researched, you know. So this can increase your body immunity very high, until the body immunity also can detect cancer and defeat the cancer like that. And also it can also have the therapeutic agent on hepatitis. Yeah, on hepatitis, it can fight tumor and cancer. So this is the main use of Utsupushi. So infection, cancer, yeah, and also for the skin. Of course, if you take this product, your skin will glowing, black spot disappearing like that, yeah, and you can become young again because this can repair also the DNA. So I tell you about natural killer cell that this usukushi stimulate natural killer cell because the takarakumbu, the seaweed, did it. Yeah, and natural killer cell is a part of our immune system that is so clever. Yeah, can detect the cancer cell or virus or bacteria that has different DNA from our body. It can take out and kill. So this is the pattern, yeah, anti-tumor, immune activating effect, and therapeutic agent on hepatitis C. And this is the proof, you know. You see this cancer just disappear like that, yeah. Before, very difficult, man. If we have to operate this chart, very difficult because we have to take out the tongue, the nearby lymph nodes, and very big operation. And usually, if you do that, the patient will die soon because when you touch the cancer, when you manipulate the cancer, doing operation or biopsy or whatever, it will make the tendency that cancer to spread bigger. Yeah. So this is so nice because no operation and clean and clear. Like this becomes small. Yeah. This is not the tumor change site now. This is because the camera. You know, camera sometimes do the reverse version, something like that. See this big tumor like this in the eye will be difficult for doctor to get rid of because doing operation near the brain, I think in 1 month maybe he will die. But using this product, yeah, good. And this is the breast cancer, already very inflamed and rotten, you know, but can be good again. So this is the ability. This is not a usual supplement. Don't imagine this as a usual supplement that you can find in the chemist and things like that. Yeah, because never the cases like this you can see. This is the best supplement produced by Japan. So second product is Subarashi. Subarashi have several ingredients. Yeah, first is being made. You know, when you open the pregnant fish, you will see the eggs of the fish being collected in one seed. Yeah? So if you take that seed from salmon, certain salmon, then you will have the product. It's called the SOP, salmon ovary peptide. Yes, the fish don't have ovary. This is only the trading name, trademark, yeah? Salmon ovary peptide. And this has a very good effect. First, it can stimulate the regeneration of your cells, and also stimulate your stem cells. So it can renew your cells, make your cells young again, fresh again, remove the dead and the sick ones. This is most important for us because we are now getting old because of that. Yeah. So getting young again, good for us. And also, it can clean our blood vessel. So cleaning blood vessel so difficult. That's why every time someone have heart block, the doctor, the block of the artery to the heart, the doctor will suggest you to do operation. Put the ring again, and then because the ring not solve the main problem, then the reblock will appear. Put ring again, and then bypass and then die. But using this, you can clean the blood vessel, and not only in the heart blood vessel, but all over your body. So you become young again, you know, and erection good again, things like that. Yeah, because there's only blood. Yeah. So a lot of things, a lot of good things will happen by cleaning blood vessel and also by stimulating new cells. Because stimulating new cells also means that your hormonal gland that is old already can be replaced with the young one. So your hormonal release will be like when you are young. Of course, when you are young, you are so healthy, no illness, yeah, and good performance. So the second is the sardine peptide. Sardine peptide can help you regulate your high blood pressure, but this is natural. So you are the one with the normal or low blood pressure. Don't have to be afraid that the blood pressure will go lower. But the high blood pressure patients will be helped to lower the blood pressure. And this is the third ingredient is the from the tomato. If you slice the tomato, you will see that the gel-like substance that envelop the seeds of the tomato, and we call it Fruit Flow. This is the trademark, the trading name here. Fruit Flow very good because it can prevent the blood clot. You know, blood clot very dangerous. During COVID, a lot of people die because of blood clot. It's clogging in the lung, in the brain, in the other organ, and causing death. And also, stroke patient, heart attack patient, also because of blood clot. So a lot of people take it wrong, yeah. Oh, this is because cholesterol. Yeah, cholesterol also affect the blood vessel to make it now narrower, but usually a sudden attack because of blood clot. That's why when you have when you know your friend or your family have stroke, the doctor will give you anticoagulant. So this one help. Yeah. But don't try. Oh, okay, I will buy 10 kilos tomatoes every day and take it. Yeah. I think your stomach will bloating because this is also needs special process. So is it safe for babies? Yes, because this product have a lot of usage. One of the uses is it can stimulate patients or couple that is infertile. If being taken husband and wife, usually 3 months, 4 months, the pregnancy happen. You know, so you can help your relative if they have this problem. And then it still can be taken during the pregnancy, and when the baby born, the baby will become super, more than usual. Because, like for instance, this bad genes, you know, this is the result, the research result. Yeah. So this bad genes will disappear. Like PIM3 ontogene, this is the genes that have the tendency to stimulate cancer. So actually we have it. Yeah. Just now, one of you consult me about all the family have prostate enlargement. This is in the genes. So if we can change the genes, the result will be very good. Like Angelina Jolie, yeah. Who's this? Who's here know Angelina Jolie? My neighbor? Huh? Oh, you know. She has big breasts, very beautiful, but have to throw away. It's pity, yeah? Why? Because have the tendency to become cancer. So the one that has no breast, don't worry, you are lucky. So this also growth arrest, yeah, genes that make it people not tall enough, short, yeah, and also people with low antioxidant level, maybe like me. Yeah. Before I grow old very fast, you know. So it's in the genes. And my uncle, I have a lot of uncles, yeah, maybe 5 of them, 7 of them, only 1 left. 6 of them die average 50 years old. So 48, 52, very young. Heart attack all. And they all have metabolism disorder. All the metabolic disorder, like high cholesterol, yes to all, you know. Hypertension, yes to all. Diabetes, yes to all, like that. So this is genetics. That's why it's so important for us to keep, okay, we can have good genetics or bad, but using this product, we can change. We can become younger, we can suppress the bad genetics. This is a doctor, he's from Indonesia. Actually, he's a very prominent obstetrician and gynecologist in Papua. He's the fertility doctor. He's okay until when they do the vaccine. After COVID vaccine, he got the vaccine. He got the vaccine and got the illness. He suffered from COVID. And the blood thickness increased so much, you know. 5 days unconscious. And the D-dimer that we use to measure the thickness of the blood usually should be under 500. His 5,000. And then even after people say, okay, go home from hospital, the D-dimer still 2,000. He's afraid because he's a doctor, he knows what that means. You know. So he tried using every medication to take it down, but cannot. But using this product, bam, back to normal. And then next time, wow, it's even better. The body feels better, fatter, and healthier, you know. And then suddenly like this, become young again, yeah. You see the skin become white, yeah. Maybe the Papuan black become white. This one. And you see, this is my friend Billy. He suffered from stroke. All wet hair before, yeah. After 2 boxes, become grayish, and the symptom gone. Usually, the symptom like spinning, like the word spinning to him. You know. Yes, the word is spinning, but we cannot feel it, right? Anyone here can feel the word spinning? And maybe you have stroke. This friend, only 2 boxes healed, yeah. And the hair started to change, 5 boxes like this. Yeah. So become young again. And this is one of my downline. She's the gado-gado seller. She has stroke, so cannot walk. But taking this product, instantly 100% healthy. Yeah, up until now. And you see the skin, very dirty. Yeah, a lot of black spots, become very good. This is the doctor. Yeah, become young again. Before baldness like this and white hair and very old, become young again, gray. And black hair, and even the eyebrow and everything changed. You know. All the illness gone. Before he suffered from tinnitus and also painful in the knee, cannot climb stairs easily. So the product basically very safe, because every product check, there is no radiation, no coloring agent, no preservative, no artificial flavoring and things like that. Yeah. So all safe. You don't have to worry about the Japanese product because it is the safest. Now, this MLM, number 1 in Indonesia, yeah, number 1 for everything. The best management, yeah, CEO, the best member growth because it like sells itself because it's so good, the product, yeah. Best selling product, of course, and best MLM of the year. So this is a good, yeah, a lot of record, Indonesian record break. And also in Singapore, it has the number 1 brand unity for 10 consecutive years. You can find AFC counters here and there in Singapore, but it's not the same product because the product for this MLM actually the specific product. So separate like this here. This is number 1 top sales worldwide for AFC, yeah, now Indonesia. That's why we begin to move to Malaysia. Okay, any questions? If you have illness or something like that, you can consult me here openly, so the other can also hear and know about the illness. Yeah. Yes. Can you give the mic to them?
Does the product lengthen the telomeres? Telomeres.
Oh yeah, of course, of course. That's how they make people younger, because telomeres plays important role.
How long will it take?
How long? Maybe from here to Malaysia? No. No. Yeah, everybody different. Yeah. So you have to be to understand that everybody need different doses, need different time, have different reaction. But generally, the result is good and relatively fast and smooth. Usually like that. Okay. Another questions? Yes.
After you reach the desired results, do you need to continue, or do you stop, or do you continue with less dosage? Or?
Okay. After we reach the desired result, how should we consume this product? Yeah, stop it or continue or reduce it? It depends on you. Some illness, they need to be maintained from time to time. Yeah. I forgot somewhere here. My downlines tell me the father now very good, but if the product finish and no product, because sometimes we run out of product, and then the father go to hospital again. But after consuming the product, good again, because before the father is dying. So sometimes like that. But a lot of condition also after it's healed, then completely healed, then okay, healed for that illness. But our customers usually keep on taking it because they have the tendency to become younger and healthier. Yeah. Why should we stop? We just keep on continue, so can reach towards the peak of our health. This is the most important. If the money the problem, then just do the spreading of this good news, and you will have money. and then you can buy the product easily. So usually like that, a lot of us just continue taking it the whole of our life. And if now like now I have cancer, it's healed already. Yeah. How about that? If the patient, I will keep on taking it, because even with doctors, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and everything, the risk of in 5 years relapse very high. You know. But after 5 years, how about that? Yeah, you can reduce it or you can continue taking it. It's your decision. Because this is sometimes like this, but sometimes also like people with the vitiligo done. Yeah, okay. A lot also my patients, they have cancer after taking this, and then the cancer disappeared and then stop it. Up until now also still okay. But we cannot guarantee that if you have cancer disappear and then it will keep on disappearing, because a lot of factors make cancers. So it's better to keep on taking it if you have a good effect. Okay, another question? Yes.
We have these two products, the SOP and the
Utsukushi.
And I mean, advice for normal person, morning you take the SOP and the evening you take the Utsukushi. Is there any reason for that? And why must we take both products?
Okay. First we have Utsukushi and Subarashi. You know from the start that the function difference. Utsukushi like more cleaning, do cleaning, detox. That's why you need to take Utsukushi, because it detox your body and increase your immunity. Yeah. Because sometimes you still have this one here and there that can be fall off, you know, using this product. And also maybe you have cancers but hidden, because a lot of people feeling, oh, I'm okay, suddenly, oh, I have cancer, and then die in 3 months. Why? Because the cancer usually hiding. If the cancer known already, usually the last stage here. This is the problem. So just take it to maintain your health, to increase your immunity, to detox you, yeah, to keep you in good immunity. So if COVID have version 3, version 4, you still survive, you know. And also Subarashi have the ability to build the new one. Of course, we need new fresh cells. Otherwise, we will become old, because the old cells have no substitute. So that's why we take this in turn. For normal person, yes, one sachet enough. But if you want more, I want to become younger, more healthier, you can take 2 also okay, 3 also okay. There is no limit, because this is so safe and this is only usual health food.
Why the SOP in the morning?
About the morning and evening you can change. It depends, you know, because some people, if take the blue one, can sleep better. Red one cannot sleep like that. Some person vice contra. So you can just adjust with your body. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? So feel free to explore how many sachet you need, you know. Because a lot of our friends now taking like morning 12 sachet, 20 sachet. And when the doctor checked, the doctor said, wow, because like one of my friends, he is around 46 years old. But when the doctor checked the brain, the heart, and the blood vessel, because that is the 3 parameters that is important. The doctor said, wow, you are like 23. Your blood vessel very clean and things like that. So we can go back to young condition. That's why it took a lot, the product. So yeah, it's up to you whether you want what level in your health. Go back to what level. You know, a lot of my friend also, Mr. Budi Darwin, he before have the heart blockage and now clean the blood vessel completely. Because I can tell, because I do heavy sport with him, now he can follow. Before even walking, sometimes trouble for him, especially during the attack. But he still up until now eating like crazy, and nothing happened. Sometimes like that. So feel free. But I have one story how safe this product is. We have boy. Yeah, actually it's not suitable if we call boy because he's 22 years old already. So maybe autist man. We have autist man, but it is a boy for his mother. And this autist usually cannot do anything. So just walk here and there, mumbling, and then suddenly get temper tantrum, break everything, break glasses, everything, and bite the mom, yeah, and sometimes make hole in the thigh, just want to make hole until it's bleeding. Why do you do that? I want to make hole. So people cannot understand the way of thinking. The mother, single mother, have a lot of difficulties. But using this product, this autist boy become very, very good, better until can sit, can talk, and can memorize something, can speak words, yeah. And the last time can take snake fruit, peel it, and before that take garbage bin to throw away the garbage there. So this is complex action already. Before, this boy have no sense, yeah, just like babies really. So cannot do tasks like this. But now getting better. Maybe he's like maybe 6 years, 7 years old boy. So the curiosity begin. Because the mother put all the products in the living room, and before nothing happened. But now because he's curious, once the mother go away, he open all 12 boxes and take it one time.
Whoa.
Yeah, 336 sachet.
What?
So the mother cry, call the upline confused, call the upline confused, call me. I call the mother cry, so sad. I said, hey, don't be sad, maybe nothing will happen to your son. We will observe until tomorrow. I will keep my cellular phone on. If something happen, you just call me. Because she is in the remote area of Papua, so not easy to go hospital and something like that. But the mother said, I'm not crying because of my son. I'm crying because my money finished. 12 boxes too expensive. And then I say, oh, don't think about this. I can give you substitute, But observe your boy. And then the next morning I call again. How's your boy? He's okay? Okay, yes. No, something strange happened. No. Look, doctor, and video call. Look, doctor, he's now okay as usual. Diarrhea? No diarrhea. Nothing. That proves that this product very, very safe and natural. Otherwise, who's here there to take 336 pills? Medication. I challenge you, you will go instantly. Yeah? So, this is already happened. That's why you don't have to be afraid with 2 sachet, 3 sachet, it's okay. Just explore and try to find how many dosages, how to take, and how to have the best benefit from this product. Just explore yourself because everybody different. Okay, any other questions? If no questions, then we will continue. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, you are the one testimony. You also have to share. Right?
I will share.
You have to share.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
I